We develop an online business, an online enterprise, an online location where we can manage and disseminate 5D perception materials, the content, the concepts, the ideas, the relationships, the funding. And that is all provided by members who join. Those who are in 5D and who want to support the movement, they can become members and they contribute their content to the community. They donate their services, they donate their expertise, and we're able to hire one another to do work as we need it for our own projects. We find the love and light connection between each other. We make those connections, we allow those connections to take place. And we get out of the way. We just let it happen. We let our own economy be managed by the individuals participating in it. So let us all contribute our expertise showcase to the Fiverr community, to the 5D Spiritual Quest community. Show what you've got, and we share with one another. I like your work, I can hire you. I pay you to come work for me. And if somebody has a really great 5D idea, we can collectively get together and fund them. We can collectively get together and improve them. We can leverage technologies to help implement them. And collectively, we begin to take control of our new human, new earth vibrational frequency as new humans. We are love and light. The requirement to participate is you've got to be in 5D, which 5D is love and light. You love you love life, you love everything, that all there is love and light, and you've grasped that. And when you're vibing in that frequency, you qualify to be a part. Are you at 5D yet? You're invited. The Spiritual Quest.